You've prepped the floor, filled the water tank, and your Xiaomi Mijia G1 is happily gliding around. But it's basically dry mopping. Sound familiar? The problem is most often a faulty water pump. It's a tiny little thing, but when it breaks, your mopping dreams literally dry. The water pump is what pushes water from the tank to the mopping pad. When it fails, well, your floors stay dry and your cleaning becomes significantly less efficient. Ignoring this won't magically make it better either. The problem can lead to further wear on the vacuum and reduced cleaning performance. So, you've seen the problem. You know a dry mop won't cut it. What's the easiest way to get your Xiaomi Mijia G1's faulty water pump fixed? RoboCare makes the whole process a breeze, with options to suit everyone. We've got a team of friendly expert technicians ready to diagnose and repair your robot, getting it back to its mopping best in no time. Simply book a repair on our website. We offer convenient courier pickup, or you can bring it to our expert service center in Kota, Damansara. Now that's what we like to see. After a professional repair from RoboCare, this Xiaomi Mijia G1 is mopping with efficiency. See that nice wet path? The water pump is working perfectly, and the floor is finally getting the clean it deserves. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I'm really impressed with RoboCare. They saved me from buying a whole new robot vacuum, which was what I had feared. They were incredibly professional, the process was simple, and now my robot vacuum is working perfectly again. Like, actually mopping. It was unbelievable. RoboCare did a fantastic job. I would recommend them to anyone.
Ready to get that mopping function working again? Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We're here to make your robot vacuum repair as simple and convenient as possible.